Trudy, I just wanted to say how much we appreciated the workshop that you ran with us, for our executive leadership team on high performing teams and our culture and values. It was a really fantastic session, and on so many different levels and facets. So firstly, your facilitation was absolutely excellent, and you moved us through the day at a really good pace. But the use of the digital technology, the mural boards, and the way that was able to gather insights and input from everyone in a really democratic process was really helpful. The write-up from your team, I don't know how they did it without being there on the day, but it really captured the essence of the conversation and discussion, and distilled it into something really insightful and useful. And I feel that output and the way that has shaped our thinking has really given us momentum for the way forward. So I can't thank you enough for the value add that day provided, and we're really looking forward to working with you more on progressing our culture and values at Learning Links. Thank you, Trudy.